Okay, that's time of the day again, dinner time. This is probably one of my most favourite and simple meals while I'm travelling. It's just a simple char-grilled steak and vegetables done on the Ziggy. So we'll just fire the Ziggy up, get it up nice and warm. Might help if I turn the gas on at the bottom. And what a backdrop. We've got a beautiful fire going and looking out over the water. There we go. Just get that nice and warm. And I'll start with steak, a little Scotch fillet. We're open. We'll season that up. Salt. A little bit of pepper. White pepper. The other side. One of the other things I like on my steak is a bit of paprika. I'll put a bit of paprika on it. Get some nice flavour in that. Okay, so we'll just let that sit while the grill's warming up, and we'll get some veggies going. So a bit of corn, just half of that. Got some broccolini, some potato. We'll just do them as thin chips. Some sweet potato. We do that the same. I might cut that a bit differently. Okay, spud, sweet potato. What else we got? A bit of capsicum. That'll probably be enough. Again, we'll just put some salt on the sweet potato and potato. And a bit of oil. If anyone's got any ideas of how to stop moisture or humidity getting into the spice jars, let me know, because for me they tend to go all claggy. Just stir the fire up a bit. We'll see if the hot plate's ready. Do the corn. They take a little bit of time. Broccolini. Keep them off to the side. Where it's cool. Oh, capsicum. There we go. Leave a hole in the middle for the steak. So we'll get them going for a little bit. And while we're doing that, we're going to have a glass of red. So I got a Pinot Noir tonight. Now some of the wineries are now doing decent wines in these bags. So yeah, you can get a decent wine in a bag, makes them easy for travel. And you get 2 bottles in one bag, so 1.5 litres. And they travel really well. It's a Pinot Noir, so we'll have that tonight. Cheers. You're probably looking at my chopping boards, so why they're that shape. So they're an IKEA bamboo chopping board, and I cut them down to fit inside the Ziggy, so they sit in there really well. And they also make a good campfire table. So while you have dinner, you can rest your plate on it. It's got a hole on the side to hang a wine glass if you want, and also to lift it out of the Ziggy. But they're really good. They come in handy, pack really well in the Ziggy while I'm travelling, and multiple uses: chopping board, campsite table, easy. Cheers. And look how calm the water is. The wind's dropped off. The water's super still. It's like reflections over there from the rock face. That's great. They're started. I'll throw the steak on. The tongs. Potatoes are starting to brown up nicely. Thin ones I tend to put on the outside because they can overcook easy. Bit of char on the capsicum, beautiful. Flipping the broccolini so it doesn't burn. Move things around a bit just so they don't get all sit in hot spots. I think that's just about it. So I'm going to plate it up on my 2-in-1 chopping board come dinner plate. Grab a fork. Just going to use one of my knives for it. Top up the wine. And serve it up. Yeah, beautiful piece of steak. Char-grilled veggies. So cheers, beautiful steak and veg for dinner, char-grilled on the Ziggy. Cheers.